Hello, in this session we'll see this question on binomial distribution. Now for the random variable, we can distribute the distribution into two parts, that is discrete distribution and continuous distribution. So of discrete distribution we are going to study binomial distribution and then hypergeometric distribution and then Poisson's distribution. So we'll start with the first one, that is, let's see. Let's say we are tossing a coin and we want head, then head is the success and anything apart from head is the failure. Similarly, if we are throwing a dice and we want a 6, then 6 is the success. So out of 6 numbers in the dice, 6 is the success, which will have a probability of 1 by 6, and anything apart from 6 will be considered to be failure, whether it is 2, whether it is 4, 5, 1, 3, anything. There's all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be a failure, and the rate of failure will be 5 by 6. So we have to divide the sample space into success and failure, and then we also have to see that the rate of success remains same in each of the trial. Like if you are throwing a, let's say, coin, for every trial the success rate of like getting ahead will be 1 by 2 only, no matter whether you got tail in the previous trial or not, or head in the previous trial. The success rate of getting ahead will always be 1 by 2. Similarly, if you are throwing a dice, for every throw you the rate of success will be a second trial. So let's see where the sample space in such cases we'll use binomial distribution, and number of trials x, number of success, p is rate of success, q, which is also equal to 1 minus p, is rate of failure. Then probability of obtaining x success in n trials is given by f of x equal to ncx p to the power of x and q to the power of n minus x. Right? This x is going to take values like 0, 1, 2 up to n, not more than n, and equal to 0 otherwise. Right? So this is the density given as ncx, rate of success to the power x, and rate of failure to the power of n minus x. Apart from that, the mean value will be equal to np and variance value will be npq. Thank you.